Justice Mansoor Ali Shah has recently addressed the 10th anniversary of 2014 Minority Rights Supreme Court judgment, which is nowadays under discussion, for the protection of the minorities in Pakistan. He gave 5-point plan to protect minorities in Pakistan. First, he said the state must ensure the effective implementation of the constitution provision. It must take protective measures to protect minorities from the violation and discrimination, ensuring that the perpetrators of such acts are brought to justice. And the justice should be swiftly and decisive. Second, Justice Mansoor Ali Shah said that the state must promote social harmony and tolerance through education and public awareness program by fostering an environment of mutual respect and understanding. We can dismantle the barriers of prejudices and the ignorance that often fuel discrimination. Third, the state must ensure the equitable representation of minorities in all spheres of the public, including government, law enforcement, and the judiciary. This representative is crucial for ensuring minority perspectives are included in the decision-making process that shape our society. Fourth, the state must protect the cultural and religious heritage of minority communities. This involves preserving places of worship, supporting cultural events, and recognizing the contribution of the minorities to the country, rich tapestry, history, and culture. Fifth, he said that the state must provide a redressal and support to minority communities who are facing injustice. This includes establishment of commission or body tasked especially with addressing minorities issues and ensuring their voices are heard and their grievances are addressed. It is a very wonderful plan given by Justice Mansoor Ali Shah, hoping that it would be implemented